Hi, this is Lauren Darr with International Association of Pet Fashion Professionals, and I am here at the Pet Health Expo in Chicago, and I just got my autographed copy of Decoding Your Dog. Steve autographed this before you did, so can you let the folks out here know your name and your background and tell them some about the book?
Sure. My name is Dr. John Ciribassi. I'm a veterinarian, and I'm also a board-certified veterinary behaviorist. I deal with dogs and cats primarily with behavior issues. And Steve and I and another behaviorist, Dr. Debbie Horowitz, teamed up to edit a book called Decoding Your Dog. And it's written by other veterinary behaviorists who write chapters on various topics involving animal behavior. And our goal was to make this a book that's friendly for the public so that they can get a little bit more accurate information on subjects involving animal behavior and sort of get the straight poop. so.
Great way to put it. That's awesome that you've written this so that it's in more down to earth terms for the general public to understand. Are you based out of Chicago?
Yes, I have actual general veterinary practice in Carroll Stream, Illinois, with my wife, who's also a veterinarian. But I see my behavior cases in the Chicago area, in Buffalo Grove at a specialty clinic, in Elmhurst, and then also I have an associate who sees behavior cases in the city in Chicago at Integrative Pet Care, who I think actually has a booth here today. So.
Fantastic. Can you tell me a little bit about the inspiration behind the book? I mean, obviously, there's a need in the marketplace for this to be written in the down-to-earth terms that, frankly, someone like myself would not understand because I don't have your background. But can you talk a little bit about the inspiration and how the book kind of came about? Because it is a huge collaboration.
Sure. I mean, I think, the way I think of it is that previous to this, we had two general types of books. We had books that were written for the public that were not quite always accurate, at least in our opinion. And then we had very scientific books that were very scientific, but not really public friendly. And so actually Steve Dale approached the college a few years ago, about 5 years ago, and suggested we write a book. And, after some discussion, we thought, that's a good idea. So over the course of the last 5 years, we've been developing the project until the book finally came out on the market this past January.
Awesome. So it sounds like it's been a long time in coming and there's been a lot of hard work on it. So kudos to you and Steve and everyone else involved in the project. I know that my husband comes from an academic background and sometimes these can be long, hard tasks.
Everyone has something to say and what they feel is important to say, and our job was to integrate everybody's opinion and have it flow well so that when the average reader reads it, they get something positive out of it, something understandable, and more importantly, something that they can apply to their own pets and their own situation, which I think we accomplished that.
Awesome. Now the book is available on Amazon?
It's available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, all the brick and mortar stores. So, yeah, at this expo, it's out there. Not too hard to find, I don't think.
All right, fantastic. Well, thank you so much for your time. It's been great. Thank you for signing my book and my copy, and I appreciate your time.
No problem. Thank you very much.